In today's video, I'll show you how to make a private task public in Asana. When you create a task just for yourself, it stays private, which is great for personal to-dos. But the moment it becomes something your team should see, you'll want to open it up so everyone can find it and collaborate. Let's jump in. To start, I'll open the private task I want to share. I've got one here called Review Q3 Vendor Quotes, and you can see right at the top it says this task is private to me. Now, to change that, I'll click the three dots in the top right corner to open the Actions menu. Look down toward the bottom of this menu, and you'll spot the option we need. I'll click Make Public to my workspace. And that's it. That's the whole thing. My task is now public, which means anyone in my workspace can find it, open it, and jump in to help. That little private lock at the top disappears, and the task becomes part of the shared workspace. This is such a useful step when a personal note grows into real teamwork. Instead of recreating it or copying details over, you just flip it to public and your teammates instantly have access to everything already there. The description, the subtasks, the comments, all of it. To recap, open your private task, click the three dots in the corner, and choose Make Public to My Workspace. One click, and your task goes from personal to shared. It really is that simple. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.